that. Look at it.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Pip.
Pip, you stepped on him.
Stepped over him.
Pip.
You need some.
They killed it.
No.
No!
No, he's fine. He is weird though. Stop it! He needs a name though.
Fuzzy.
Fuzzy?
Fuzzy Wuzzy.
Was a bear.
Pip, I
Wuzzy
can...
had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a very fuzzy Wuzzy.
Stepped on him again.
Well, he mainly just steps over him.
Pick him up.
I'm still hungry.
Pick him up.
Why?
I don't know. You don't have to pick him up. He looks poisonous. He does.
Pick him up. He looks poisonous. Yeah. Thanks. Here.
You taking this picture?
That was video.
Here. Look at his face.
No!
What? He's just a little.